Hey, I'm with my friend Jenni Letamente, and we're going to talk a little bit about living your dream and discovering your passion. And what's so exciting about that, Jenni is living her dream, and she's done some great things to take those steps. And I just wanted to ask her and let her share with you guys what are some of those steps she took and why. So first of all, Jenni, I want to find out, why did you start your own business and what do you do?
Okay, so I started my own business because I wanted three things: financial freedom, time freedom, and fulfillment. I wasn't really into the corporate world, the 9 to 5 clocking in and out. I like the freedom in time, residual income for the future, and just feeling fulfilled in the things and in my passion, living my passion.
It's funny because you did work in the corporate world at some point,
I
right?
did for a bunch of years, yes.
I did too. And
Yeah.
you know, at the time it seemed like the right thing to do, but when you have your own business, there's just a whole different ballgame. So tell me, what's the business? What's your business?
So I do massage, I do essential oils, I sell them and lead a team right now of 30 people.
Wow.
Yeah, and then I also do personal assisting work, websites, and I think that's everything.
That sounds like everything.
Okay.
Not only does she do all that, but she does a lot of music, plays the piano, sings, all this other kind of stuff. That's in her spare time.
Yes.
So Jenni, tell them, what is the main thing you love about the freedom of having your own business?
Yeah, I like being my own boss. I don't like, of course we always have to answer to clients and,
Yes.
be appropriate with deadlines and things. But I appreciate setting my own hours, not having to get up too early.
Yeah,
and
she's
fight
not
a
an early
commute.
bird. I'm an early bird. She's a late bird. So we meet in the middle.
Yeah.
And let me ask you something else. What was the scariest thing about starting your business?
Well, I guess just trusting that, I'd make enough money to support myself and not have to worry about, just being able to pay all the bills and everything, to trust the Lord.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know when we did the Live Your Dream, Experience Your Passion class, one of the things that you talked about was how you, we had that quote from Eleanor Roosevelt that said, do something that scares you every day. And sometimes you text me and you'd say, I'm doing something that scares me today. How did you kind of overcome that fear when, that your gut inside is going, I don't know if I can do this?
Well, I get motivated by things like that say do one thing a day that scares you. I get motivated by those. And then there was one that said, what would you do if you were 10 times bolder?
Oh,
And
yeah.
I think about, what would I do today? And then, I don't know, that inspires me. So reading quotes and listening to messages that inspire me forward.
Yeah. So what would be one suggestion that you would have for people who are watching this about doing the Live Your Dream, Experience Your Passion to so they could see how to move forward?
Yeah, I think one of the things that stands out to me right now is really knowing your why and keep refining your
Yeah.
why. That drives you, right? It's
it
what
does.
drives you. And knowing that reason that you want to do this and the reason why you don't want to do the other
Right.
things, it just makes a really big difference.
It really does. And one thing we have to remember, sometimes we forget that we are important and we carry value. So we don't always invest in ourselves. We spend all of our time investing in other people. But I always say you're the best investment you can make, because when you invest in yourself, everybody benefits. You benefit, your family benefits, your friends, even your community. So I want to encourage you to take a look at the new class I just released. It's called Live Your Dream, Experience Your Passion. And you can find it on my website. It'll be at the bottom, right?
Yes.
It'll be at the bottom of the website, cindy-stewart.com/classes, and check it out, because that online class, you can do it at your own pace. There's 8 modules. They're
So
about
good.
30 minutes each. And what it'll do is it'll help you define what your dream really is. Identify your why. Why does it burn inside of you? Also help you do the steps. What would be my next step? What would be my next step? And before you know it, you're moving into your dream becoming your reality. So check it out. And you can always Facebook comment us and ask us any questions, because we're excited about living our dream. And we've still got so much more to do, these scary things that really push us to the edge, but also these satisfying things. And one thing that Jenni said, and we didn't talk about, was she's able to help people in wholeness.
Yeah.
That's her passion, healing and wholeness. I'm able to help people find their passion and live their dream so their families, their lives can be fulfilled. So what is that inside of you that makes you want to take this next step? I can't wait to hear from you. Leave us a comment. Let us know what you think. Thanks a lot. And remember, you're the best investment you can make.
Yeah.